Relationship dynamics can be really tricky, and I think we've all been there at some point or another, wondering how to make our partner stay with us. It's a universal desire, and it's really relatable, especially if you've ever been in a relationship where you felt like you were the one doing all the heavy lifting. You know, trying to keep the spark alive, trying to keep the communication open, trying to keep things fresh and exciting. It's exhausting, and it's a lot of pressure. One of the biggest challenges we face in relationships is the fear of abandonment. It's a deep-seated fear that can stem from past experiences, and it can be really hard to shake off. When we're in a relationship, we often find ourselves trying to control the other person, trying to make them stay with us, trying to make them love us. But the truth is, we can't control how others feel. We can't force someone to love us or to stay with us if they don't want to. Another emotional struggle we face is the feeling of being stuck in a relationship that's not fulfilling. You know, when you're in a relationship and it just feels stagnant, like you're not growing together, like you're not on the same page. It's a really hard place to be, because on the one hand, you don't want to give up on the relationship, but on the other hand, you don't want to stay in something that's not making you happy. And then there's the fear of being alone. I think this is a big one for a lot of people. The fear of being single, the fear of not being loved or wanted. It's a really scary thought. And it can be especially scary when you're in a relationship and you're not sure if the other person is really invested in you. So, what makes a relationship stable? What are the key factors that contribute to a strong and healthy relationship? Communication is key. When both partners can communicate openly and honestly, it creates a sense of trust and understanding. Trust is another big one. When you trust your partner, you feel safe, you feel secure, and you feel like you can be yourself around them. And then there's mutual respect. When you respect each other's boundaries, when you respect each other's differences, it creates a sense of equality and harmony. Emotional connection is also crucial. When you feel seen, heard, and understood by your partner, it creates a sense of intimacy and closeness. It's like you feel like you can be your true self around them, without fear of judgment or rejection. And when you're in a relationship that's founded on emotional connection, it's a really beautiful thing. So, what's the key to making someone stay with you? Well, here's the thing. You can't force someone to stay with you. You can't control how they feel. You can't control their actions. But what you can do is create an environment that's conducive to love, to growth, to connection. You can foster a sense of trust, of respect, of emotional intimacy. And when you do that, you create a relationship that's strong, that's healthy, that's fulfilling. Hey guys, let me know in the comments what you think keeps relationships strong. Do you think it's communication, trust, or something else entirely? Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.